Now we're gonna make some changes over here and just add the rest of the part. We're gonna check every single place thoroughly to make it as perfect as possible. Let's make the arch sharper. Let's put one edge loop. Let's put one more, which is joined with the previous one. Let's get rid of the extra. Just press get those two, M and add center. Let's hide those two. Get one edge loop over in the middle. Let's hide that one too. There. Alt H, bring those back. And that's J. Again J. Just double G them. Like that. Pretty cool. Just M at last. Make sure the last should be the top one in this case. We're just gonna bring this one out a bit. It seems to be inside a lot. Let's pull this down to the line. Just with double G. Let's merge them at the center. Same over here. We're just gonna join them in a spread out pattern so that it won't cause any modeling. How can I say, any more modeling fragments? Just like how we just saw. We just have a minor issue over here. It's just that pinch over the curve. I said that let's pull it outside over on the x-axis since it is a bit dipped inside. Cool.